Hello guys, and welcome into a new video of the air conditioning system cleaning this year in 2020. As you well know by now, I will use the same two products, the CRC Airco Cleaner Pro for the air vents, and the Caramba Perfekt Klima diffuser for the entire interior of the car. So without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Open all the windows, or at least 3, to have some nice airflow. And I'll start with the active foam cleaner for the air vents. Now let's go and get on to the next phase when I will use the diffuser. This one will be safer. I will also pull out the cabin air filter, and I will replace it with a simple plastic cover, so the entire content will not be absorbed by the filter itself. So now with this diffuser, put the air conditioning to recirculation, the lowest temperature, the highest speed, and I will use the top ventilation from the windshield to move the air. Press on this part of the diffuser, and that will block it, and it will make it deplete itself. The whole process should last about 2 minutes. Make sure all the windows are now shut. Get out of the car right away after you engage it, and place it in the foot area of the passenger side. Right here, it's the perfect place, something like that. So give the chair a bit, the seat a bit behind, and this way you will not get any of the content on the glove box or on the dashboard. Also, after it will be finished, make sure you leave the engine running with the air conditioning on for another 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. So make sure the handbrake is on. Let's start the car. By now the active foam, it's already turned to liquid, so all the vents are cleaned. Just like this. So right now the diffuser is depleted, but as a rookie mistake I realized I didn't turn on the air conditioning, and I also didn't put it on the highest speed possible. I will have to do this right now as fast as possible. And now you can hear the engine is a lot louder, and the AC is on with the full blast. Yeah, so make sure don't do these mistakes. I don't know what happened to me today, but yeah, hope you can understand it. So yeah, it's still going, although let's say 5 minutes passed. Just give it more time. And I don't know if you can see the water beneath the car from the AC. So yeah, now open all the windows and let the fresh air come in, and this is about it. I believe the cleaning was eventually, in the end, done properly. It smells a lot better. Let's see, the AC is also very cold. Hope this video will help. I will replace the and put back the cabin air filter, and I highly recommend you to do this this procedure every year, but with the all the means necessary to protect yourself. As always, stay safe. I wish you all the best. Take care wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.